So in this we are going to make a 2 ponytail braid. So firstly take some hair and make its braid. Now taking the rest of the hair in this way and making its braid, pinching out the each part like this as you can see in the video, that enhance its shape. It's ready. In the next, we are going to make a ponytail braid again by dividing the hair into 5 parts as you can see in the video and binding the each part in this way that creates this design as you can see in the video. How beautifully it is being done, and this will make your hair look more thicker. Done. Now in the next we are going to make a side bun, part the hair into 2 and now make the front braid in this way as you can see in the video. After this done, grab the strand of one side of the ponytail like this as you can see in the video. Bind the each part of the strand like this, and after this roll it up as you can see in the video. Now the remaining part of the braid like this, insert it into the bun and secure it with the baby pin like this. Use another baby pin and secure it. It's done. Amazingly done. Beautiful. In the next, divide the hair in 5 parts, make a braid. Now bind the each part of the braid into the other by using the rubber band. In the next, we are going to make a ponytail braid in this way. Firstly, splitting the hair into 2 and knotting it like this as you can see in the video. Beautiful. In the next, we are going to divide the hair into 2 and twisting it like this, pinching it up in this way as you can see in the video. Now making the braid of the rest of the hair and pinching the each of the part as you can see in the video with the help of finger. Now inserting it into the ponytail like this, making its braid. Nicely done. It's ready. Amazing. In the next, we are making an open hairstyle by using the edge of the comb, interlocking the each strands into the others. Making another open hairstyle like this, splitting the hair into 4 and binding each strands like this as you can see in the video, which looks like a braid, an open hair braid. Beautiful. Now proceeding to the next, here we are binding a ponytail in this way with the help of finger as you can see in the video. Now what we are doing is grabbing the strand and binding it up like this, that creates this design. In the next, we are going to make a bun. So firstly, we are making a ponytail and splitting the hair into 2, giving this style, binding it up with rubber band. Now putting all rest of the hair over it like this, rolling it up. Easily done. Beautiful. In the next, we are going to make a open hairstyle by knotting the each part of the hair with the help of pointed finger and thumb like this. It is easy in making. Beautiful. In the next, we are going to knot a hair by using the thread and needle in this way. Easily done. Wrapping the back side of the hair with the help of thread as you can see in the video, and you can wrap it up by making a ponytail. In the next, we are using a rubber band in different way to knot the ponytail. So just using a finger and taking all hair into it. Easily done, and you can try this once. Proceeding to the next, here we are using an artificial bun to make a bun, wrapping the hair and binding it up with rubber band. In the next, we are using a rubber with long ribbon as you can see in the video and knotting the hair with the help of it to make a ponytail braid. And that's all. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.